Traveling today means one thing. You don't want to lug luggage. You want to move with it. No waiting at baggage claim. No rushed overhead bin battles. No dragging wheels over cobblestones. The carry-on travel backpack has become the ultimate travel tool. Part luggage, part daily pack, and all about convenience. But not all backpacks are created equal. Some are built just to fit airline rules and nothing else. Some are full-on travel systems with organized compartments, tech sleeves, and suitcase-style access. Today we're breaking down the best carry-on travel backpacks of 2026. From budget-friendly and compliant, all the way to organized, travel-ready beasts. Let's start with simple and practical. Cabin Max Metz 30 Litre Underseat Backpack. The no-stress, airline-compliant option. This bag is popular for one simple reason. It's sized to fit under the seat on most airlines, including EasyJet, British Airways, thanks to its 45 by 36 by 20 centimeter footprint. In real travel life, this means you don't wrestle with overhead bins, you avoid last-minute gate checks, and you keep your essentials right in front of you. Passport, phone, laptop, snacks, all within easy reach. It's lightweight, around 30 liters, with a panel loading design, side bottle holder, padded straps, and a quick access organizer pocket. This is for travelers who want compliance first. No size questions, no baggage fees, no surprises at boarding. This is not for people who want bulkier gear, need heavy laptop protection, or want premium comfort features. The pros: fits many airline underseat requirements. It's affordable and simple. It's light and easy to carry. The cons: basic comfort and materials, limited internal organization for long trips. This is a great daily travel bag if you want a bag that just works without worrying about the airline measurements. That backpack solves size first. But what if you like the idea but need something even lighter and more compact? The Cabin Max Metz Small Backpack 20-liter stowaway. Tiny but mighty underseat option. Think of this as the personal item version of the Cabin Max. Not a full travel backpack, but perfect when you're flying light. This 20-liter version is super compact, yet still carry-on compliant on most airlines. It's ideal for quick overnight trips, business travel with minimal clothing, and minimalists who pack light. This bag is for people who don't need huge volume, but want everything accessible and compact. It's perfect as a personal item plus weekend bag. This bag is not for those packing clothes for a long trip or people who want more structure and protection. The pros: the bag is extremely light and portable, fits easily under seats, and it's perfect for simple carry. The cons: it has small capacity and it has limited organization and tech protection. This is great if you travel ultra light and enjoy the carefree, minimalist travel vibe. Now, those two are fantastic for simplicity and size, but most travelers want something that packs like luggage but carries like a backpack. That's where the next picks shine. The Tomtoc Navigator T66 Travel Laptop Backpack 40 Liter. TSA-friendly and organized workhorse. If you've ever struggled with airport security lines, this backpack changes the game. One of the top features here is the TSA-friendly lay flat design. Open it like a suitcase, find what you need instantly, and breeze through security. That's a big deal when every second counts at the gate. It also usually includes dedicated laptop and tablet sleeves, a roomy main compartment, water-resistant exterior for rainy flights, and smaller internal pockets for gadgets, cables, and accessories. This bag is for frequent flyers, business travelers, and anyone who values quick access and organization above all. This is not for people who want a more compact commuter-style bag. This is built for real packing. The pros: TSA-friendly suitcase opening, tech and accessories organization, spacious but still carry-on compliant. The cons: a bit heavier than minimalist packs, not as rugged as hiking-oriented bags. With around 40-liter capacity, you can pack a week's worth of clothes and a full tech kit, ideal for work trips or long weekends. If you want crowd-favorite travel reliability that's been tested on flights around the world, you need the Osprey Farpoint 40 Travel Backpack, the travel legend. This is one of the most trusted travel backpacks out there. Serious travelers rave about its balance of comfort, durability, and airplane compliance. Here's why this backpack stands out in real life. Padded shoulder straps and hip belt make even a heavy load feel comfortable. Panel zip, main compartment for easy packing and unpacking. Quick access front zippered laptop sleeve. Adjustable torso fit and stowable harness if you want a streamlined shape. This is for frequent travelers who want comfort first, whether you're sprinting through gates or walking cobblestone streets after landing. This is not for minimalists who only need a small, simple travel pack. The Farpoint is feature-rich. The pros: excellent comfort even when heavy. Smart organization plus compression straps. Great overhead bin and carry-on compliance. The cons: older aesthetic compared to sleeker travel packs. Slightly higher price point. Travelers love this because it feels good on your back, even hours after airport walking. Now, if you want the most organizationally impressive carry-on backpack out there, you need the Cotopaxi Allpa 35-liter travel pack. Best in class for organization and travel versatility. Many travel backpack reviewers call this one the best overall carry-on travel backpack because it strikes the perfect blend of usable capacity, internal layout, and everyday practicality. The Allpa opens like a suitcase with a full wrap clamshell zipper, meaning you can see everything at once. No digging through layers. The interior usually comes with organized mesh pockets, dedicated tech sleeves, external side access pockets, and compression panels. You can touch down, unzip, and instantly know where everything is. Clothes on one side, gadgets on the other, and easy access to quick grab travel items like your passport or socks. This is for people who want travel-ready organization, festival trips, international holidays, multi-day business travel, or packing cubes lovers. This is not for ultra-light packers who prefer a minimalist shell with no internal pockets. The pros: fantastic internal organization, comfortable for long walks, great for multi-day trips. The cons: the price is on the higher end, not as minimalist as ultra compact carry-ons. This one really shines if you like structure and productivity while on the move. Here's how I would pick depending on travel style. Strict airline compliance without fuss. Go with the Cabin Max Metz 30-liter or the smaller Cabin Max 20-liter. These fit under the seat and keep things simple. Tech plus organization plus TSA ease. Tomtoc Navigator T66 40L gives you suitcase-style access and action-ready features. All around comfortable travel, Osprey Farpoint 40 is legendary for comfort and balanced features. Most organized for packing and quick access. Cotopaxi Allpa 35-liter wins if ease of use and internal structure are your top priorities. You can find links in the description below to all the products mentioned in this video. If this guide helped, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Epic Deals. We're always hunting for the best gear, the best deals, and expert insight so you never overspend on average equipment ever again. Just so you know, these are affiliate links, which means if you use them, we may earn a small referral fee at no extra cost to you. Using those links helps support the channel so we can continue bringing you free content just like this. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next epic deal.